We've arrived at the Leiden Creek Dispersed Camping Area in the Kaniksu National Forest in Idaho. Let's go check it out. The Leiden Creek Dispersed Camping Area is located just outside of the town of Clark Fork, Idaho. You'll find dispersed campsites all up and down the road at the Leiden Creek Dispersed Camping Area. Look at that water, crystal clear. You're looking at Leiden Creek Road. This will take you down to the town of Clark Fork. It's a well-maintained gravel road. Right behind me, you'll see a bridge. Melody and Milo just checked out the creek. It is a beautiful creek. Right before you get to that bridge that crosses Leiden Creek, you're going to see this side road, and it's going to take you down to several different campsites right on the water. Let me walk you back there. So as you travel down this side access road that's right by the creek, the first campsite is right back in here. You can back your camping configuration back in here, right in this area here. There's a second campsite back in there. Somebody's back in there. In fact, the gentleman's got his tripod set up down in the creek. He's painting. But there's your fire ring. It is beautiful. There's the bridge I was telling you about. Now look at that water. You could probably hear it on the video even with my lavalier mic on. And that's a look back at the campsite. It is gorgeous here. These mountains are so high, I had to step back a little bit so you could get a perspective of your view from the rear of the campsite. So there's a second campsite back in here, and there's several different fire rings. There's one of the fire rings right here. You have more camping back in here with another fire ring. But look at your view of the creek. That is just spectacular. 100% free camping in the Kaniksu National Forest on Leiden Creek Road, Dispersed Camping Area. Take you down here. It's another campfire ring. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, so that's the direction I just came from. And this gravel road continues down to another section of the creek. Let me walk you down here. Well, unless you have a high clearance Jeep, I wouldn't take your camping configuration back beyond where that van was. There is a rough outline of a road. It's all stone. You can see where somebody set a campfiring up there, but it does lead you back out to the creek. This is some awesome scenery here. Holy smokes, that's a bear. That's a bear, folks. Oh my Lord. Oh my. Oh my. I'm looking for Mama. That's a brown bear. In the Kaniksu National Forest, Lighting Creek Dispersed Camping Area. What a wow. Bear's crossing the creek coming to my side. He sure is. Wading right through there. Okay folks, well, Melody and Milo are out toward the road and he's heading that way, so I'm going to go out and make sure they're safe. Well, Melody and Milo are safe. They're in the truck. That was something else. Just on a by chance meeting with a brown bear here in the Kaniksu National Forest. I will have the grid coordinates for the bridge that I'm standing on in the written video description on YouTube. Woo! As a footnote, I wouldn't bring a big rig out to Lighting Creek Dispersed Camping Area. Almost all of the campsites you're going to find are more suited to a smaller camping configuration. Class B camper, a small pop-up camper, truck camper, that's what we're talking about here. Lighting Creek Dispersed Camping Area in the Kaniksu National Forest. 100% free camping. I think I'm going to leave it here. I'll have the upload and download speeds for Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile in the written video description on YouTube. If you like these videos, like and subscribe, and I'll see you down the road.